Imagine that we've got yet another Copperhead 52 rolling out shop today. This one going to the Salsa Burrito, all right guys? Copperhead's one of our most popular backyard cookers, and for good reason, so let's check it out, all right? This one's a 52 inches long, 24 inches deep. The Copperhead is our octagon smoke chamber with copper accents everywhere, guys. You know, it's in the name, it just makes sense, right? Bottom and top sliding trays. Now this is a reverse flow pit, so we've got two removable plates in here that directs the heat all the way across and then back out of the stack. Now speaking of stack, this has got a fold down stack. As you can see here, that's in the down folded position. Once you fold it up, then it'll be in the up folded position. Pretty cool, slick there. Stainless steel shelf. Normally you get wire mesh, but do you really want a wire mesh shelf, guys? No, I'll answer that for you. You want the stainless steel shelf. Still got the paper towel utensil holder. As you can see, this one is on the off-road package. Got the red wheels from our boys mods down in Texas. That always makes them pop. Salsa Burrito custom stainless logo, but that ain't it, guys. Open this bad boy up. This is our hot box. All right, we call it a hot box because it can get hot, right? Kind of makes sense. Once again, it's in the name. 5 sliding trays in here, totaling, drum roll, 1,776 square inches of cook space just in the hot box, guys. That is because we love America, all right? Down here, we've got a removable plate with daisy wheels, so that allows you to regulate the temperature independent, or you can pull the whole plate out, turns your hot box into a direct heat cooker. Pretty slick setup, if I do say so myself. TMG Pitts Tell Truth thermometers, one in all 3 hornets, all 3 holes. Open this up, fire magnet cradle in there. Now this is our insulated firebox. We got a standard, insulated is an upgrade. It's a great upgrade to add, guys, all right? Fire magnet cradle in there, D-ring tie downs, all 4 corners. That ain't it. Step around back. We've got a double burner setup back here with one of our removable griddle tops. The griddle top come off, you got 2 10-inch burners there, set that bad boy on it, you're ready to wear out some smash burgers, guys, just like that. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know who to call. TMG Pitts, Knoxville, Tennessee.